Hey guys, Tony Karamitsos here from Michigan Motorsports. I hope your week is off to a great start. I just wanted to take a quick moment to introduce a new brand we've recently partnered with, DeatschWerks. DeatschWerks, they're all about high performance EFI fuel system solutions, and we're excited to now carry a range of their products. Here's a quick rundown of what we've got available in stock. We have drop-in fuel injectors, for a variety of cars and trucks, ranging anywhere from 42-pound-an-hour injectors all the way up to like 95-pound-an-hour. We have complete drop-in fuel pump module assemblies for cars and trucks. And in addition, we also have universal performance fuel pumps, fuel pressure regulators, and fuel rails. And we also have performance fuel filter modules for Dodge Charger and Challenger platforms. So you can check out the full line now at MichiganMotorsports.com. And again, thank you for watching.